Welcome to our AI in the Age of Marketing course demo. The AI in the Age of Marketing course includes several distinct skill pathways designed to build expertise across key areas of the field. Within the individual skill, students will follow a pathway to advance through lessons. Lesson guides are available to help instructors identify key concepts. Instructor resources also include learning guide PDFs that can be downloaded. The lesson guides contain details on core concepts and key points, as well as handouts and additional materials for students. When students begin the assignment, Noah, our learning companion, will introduce the question to focus their attention and guide their learning toward the task. The lesson resources use case studies and interactive activities to present information in ways that actively engage students. Key concepts are presented through graphics and animations to direct attention to the main ideas and strengthen understanding. Lessons integrate real-world examples to contextualize learning and demonstrate how concepts are applied in real-world business settings. Learning resources also provide ethical considerations and best practice pointers to inform ethical decision-making. Lessons can be paused and resumed as desired. Students will be prompted with questions throughout the lesson to enforce learning. After answering, explanations are provided to ensure students understand each answer. If a question is answered incorrectly, a similar question will be given. Tries run out after 3 mistakes, then the student will repeat the step. In the teaching features, explore which students are making progress on the assignments. Individual student activity can also be reviewed to see details of their progress. And instructors can view which questions the student answered within assignments. Within the lesson planning feature, instructors can see the lesson breakdown within each skill set. Specific lessons can be bookmarked with notes. Saved lessons can be accessed in the Bookmarks section. QuantHub offers a wide range of learning pathways and dozens of skills spanning multiple fields within data science and AI. You have completed the overview of AI in the Age of Marketing.